I'm just your average hood nigga with dreams of getting rich. My crib big like a football field. You might fuck around and think I signed a football deal, but you don't hear me. I take 15 minutes to drop a track, yeah. I take half a minute to load my gas, but you don't hear me. I make them bounce all across the globe. I'm a pimp, I got your hoe taking off her clothes, but you don't hear me. A franchise like a Houston Rocket. Every 8 months is when I usually drop it. You don't hear me. I got the streets on lock. I like my beats with knock. You know my heat stay cocked. Nigga, now who they want? Game over. Now who they want? Game over. Now who they want? Game over. Now who they want? Look, I'm a Cristal nigga and you a red winer. You just an opening act, but I'm the headliner. But you don't hear me. I'm about to ship 3 mil off top. You got your deal off your man, I got my deal off price. But you don't hear me. I'm connected like Dub and Mac 10 with ice cubes in my watch and dubs on the black bean. But you don't hear me. I'm getting paid cause I do all the work. It's rainy days if we don't move all our work. We go for search. You don't hear me. I'm on the block fam, in the cream drop lamb. Most of y'all cats with deals, y'all ain't hot, but man. I'm about to do it again, you about to lose it again. It's show and tell, motherfucker, I'ma do it again. Game over. Now who they want? Game over. Now who they want? Game over. Now who they want? The game over, cause shit about to change over. It's about time, cause hip-hop need a makeover. And most producers wanna charge too much, but around my way, that's how you get fucked up. You might think we all beats and rhymes, but way before this rap shit, nigga, the streets was mine. But you don't hear me. I got that hot shit, that thug life pop shit, that get hot shit, that B.I.G. ready to die shit. Game over. Now who they want? 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 Game over.
See, I walk like a real nigga, and I talk like a real nigga, and I act like a real nigga. See you act like a real nigga, and you walk like a real nigga, and you talk like a real nigga. So stand up, my nigga.
See, I walk like a
Real nigga,
and I talk like a
real nigga,
and I act like a
real nigga,
so I must be a
real nigga.
If I said it, then I meant it, this the shit that I'm on. And if I spit it, then I live it, this is more than a song. Boy, I done lived it, I done did it, seen it all on the block. I seen a nigga shake and drop while I was knocking the chop. Don't got no swag, ain't no brag, I ain't playing the part. Just what you see is what you get, I'm like a street work of art. They broke the mold when I was made, big homies one of a kind. Can't many talk it, many walk it, I'm so raw without trying.
See, I walk like a real nigga, and I talk like a real nigga, and I act like a real nigga, so I must be a real nigga. See you act like a real nigga, and you walk like a real nigga, and you talk like a real nigga. So stand up, my nigga.
Well respected in the middle all the way to the coast. I guess them killers and gorillas feel the villain the most. From the thunders to the old heads, relate to them all. Even hostility bitches love the way that I talk. I'm so real, you can feel what the villain's about. Boy, I get ill with that steel if you run in your mouth. Murderous skills in the field to make me run in your house. Spitting flames, ain't no games, what the gut is about. Different levels of the game, now the status is boss. Keep them young, drunken thunders funkin', knocking them out. Took some losses in my days, even real niggas lose. So many wins, recommend y'all ain't fucking with schools.
I walk like a real nigga, and I talk like a real nigga, and I act like a real nigga, so I must be a real nigga. See you act like a real nigga, and you walk like a real nigga, and you talk like a real nigga. So stand up.
Suited down and Dookie Brown, no stopping me, nigga. Fresh out the bag with the tag, how we rockin', my nigga. Know I said it like a million times, all of my rhymes. Good to living, screaming villain, so it stay on my mind. Trying to turn my gutterisms to a comfortable living. If I fail this gutter mission, probably see me in prison. All I know is hit the streets and only one way to eat. Yeah, I've been slippery for many years, but the future looks bleak. No room for sympathy or empathy, it is what it is. But in your memory, remember me for shit that I did. So if them laws try to sentence me, I'm taking my beat. And if that chopper come and knocking, that's the way that I live.
I walk like a real nigga, and I talk like a real nigga, and I act like a real nigga, so I must be a real nigga. See you act like a real nigga, and you walk like a real nigga, and you talk like a real nigga. So stand up, my nigga.